In this video, we'll work on our Google OAuth callback route. We'll start importing our JWT from JSON Web Token library. Then we'll go ahead to import get Google user from our util library as defined earlier. After that, we'll import update or create user from OAuth from our util library as created earlier. Then we'll move ahead to create an export const Google OAuth callback route function. Basically, I like copying the way I named the files and paste it in this section. So after that, we'll define our path being /auth/Google/callback, comma, then our method will be a get method. Then we'll put comma, then our handler will be an asynchronous function, which will take a request and response as arguments. Then we'll give it to an arrow function, const code equals to request.query, const OAuth user info equals to get Google user with the structure, the code, and the get Google user function. Then the next will be get const updated user equals to update or create user from OAuth with the structure, the OAuth user info in there. Then we'll now reassign a destructured variables to our updated user, which is _ID to ID is verified, email, and info. Then after that, we'll move on to jwt.sign and we define what we want to sign in our application, which is the ID is verified, email, and info. After that, we'll put comma, then process.env.jwt_secrets. Then comma, we'll give our callback function, which will take error and token. Then we'll give arrow function and open curly braces and hit enter. Then we'll give it a response.redirect. Thus, we're trying to redirect this code to a certain path in our application, which is we'll put a backtick http://localhost port number 3000/login to query parameter token, and we'll set that to the variable token. Then before that, we'll create a condition. If error, it should return response.send status 500. Yes. Then after that, we take our time to take a look at our code to see if there's no typo errors. We'll go ahead and call this route in our index file for routes. I'm going to import that, then cut it, comma, and paste it in the array of routes. And I'm going to format the document. I'm just going to configure that and format my entire document, and I'll save all my files. Then this is supposed to be from JSON Web Token. Then this _ID, I will just put it as ID. Yes, to make sure everything is working nice and clean.